guys. Today we're looking at Rheem 406A. Rheem, Ray Pack, depending on what it says, it's basically the same heater. We have a big propane tank behind us, basically telling us, hey, this is propane. Customer called me in today because the heater wouldn't ignite. Basically the spark keeps trying to ignite, nothing happens, and if we come up here we'll see it's showing this code ILO. So basically what that stands for is ignition lockout. So if I turn it off and I turn it back on, we'll see it'll go through it boots up, and then it'll go through its process of showing what the water temperature is at, and then we'll see SPK for spark and CFH for call for heat. So it's trying to turn itself on, but after it does this long enough, it's just gonna fault out to an ILO code. And on this particular model, if we look over here, we have our code references right here, and ILO stands for ignition lockout. Basically what happened was the heater tried to light, couldn't do it, so it shut itself down. So if we look down here, ignition lockout can be due to quite a few things, but sometimes it's your gas valve gets stuck up. If this valve is stuck, then there's no serviceable parts inside of it, so you need to replace it. You can get blockages in the pilot tubes. Kind of rare on this model, more of a standing pilot type. You will get spider eggs and webs in there, and they can actually block up pretty well. We have our ground. We just want to make sure everything's connected. However, sometimes it's something simple. This customer unfortunately found out. If we look over here, our gas valve is closed. So perpendicular to the pipe is closed, parallel is open. So when this is open, it will allow the propane to flow through the line, and it'll fire it up. So right now we just got it to fire. The other thing though that this heater had as well was a lot of air in the lines. He had told me that he had shut it all off when the heater wouldn't light. When I came up, when I showed up, everything was closed, so I don't know how it was at the time. But what will happen with a lot of heaters is if it's been closed all winter, you can end up with some air in the lines. So it might run through this procedure where it'll give you the ILO code of ignition lockout, but if you flip it off and flip it on a couple times, sometimes all it needs is to purge all the air out of the pipes, and usually within about 3 tries of flipping it on and off, it'll fire up if that's all your problem is. Thanks.